Hello and welcome to Tonic Studios. My name's Alison and today I've got an absolutely gorgeous little box to share with you and it's called the Serendipitous Sepal. So this is our die set to make the Serendipitous boxes. It's a tiny little die set, but it makes two absolutely stunning boxes. So let me just show you what they make. So this is your one little purse. Lovely little shape, little lotus flower. And then the next box is a teeny tiny little tulip. And both of these flowers can be made from the same die set. So let's go through the boards and we'll just see what we can make. So here's our little tulip. It's the easiest box you will ever make. You need two of these shapes here. You cut two of those and the rest is layering and patterning. So you're never going to make an easier box. This is your second box. So as you can see, you've got your main box again here. You've got your layer here. Your patterning, and then you've got the patterning for the sides and also your little tags. So it's an absolutely glorious little box. What would I be using this for? I think I would use it for little favours, for any sort of party. I would be thinking of children's parties, little gifts, anything along those lines. So let's see what we've got. So let's have a little look at what our design team have made. They have gone to town with these little boxes again. So let's go with this one first. So this one, we've cut the layer into the black and layered with the colour behind. And that's on both sides. So you can create a lot of dimension on these boxes, even though they're teeny tiny. This little one has got a drop shadow. So if you look behind the white, you can see a little fleck of silver coming through. We often say what a drop shadow is, but never really explain it. So what we've done, we've cut the same layer into the silver and the white and just moved the silver layer slightly from behind the white because you don't want to see lots of that colour, just a little hint. And that's what our drop shadow gives us. So we've got another little bit of drop shadow in here and a colour behind. So we've added a little bit extra. And then this one has been paper pieced. So it almost looks like a quilted effect. So what we've done with this one, we've cut out the main die in the cream, cut it again in gold and placed all the pieces of the gold into the pattern. So it gives us a lot more depth. And then on the front then is an extra layer. So again, more drama created. So if you want to join us again for another video, I will be showing you how to make this little box here. So we've got acetate in the front of this, so you can give a little bit of a sneaky peek what's inside. So hopefully you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget, share your makes with us on the Facebook page and we'll see you again soon.